start the video. Yes, guys, me there. What a relaxation little. Put that up here. Many people can see how the water waste and you can't get none of Falkland. You see it? Try right up.
A bubble. Yeah, there's a bubble. Yeah, there's a bubble.
Look there. You see the water waste and we can't get none around here? Can't get no water. Look where water waste. They are eat piece of pork. Yes, some of them are eating pork. What am I saying now? You want pork? You can't eat
Pepper.
and pork, but you can't manage to eat it because it's too something there.
Pepper.
That's the eat of him already.
Left 2 pieces.
We have Bramble see and we are the crossroad. The people are see crossroad.
School over there, so.
Other school I'm going on. The people are see me school I'm going. Bramble instant. You see when
It used to go.
Yeah, you see when me I got to school at Tafia?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I when I used to do dumpling them. No, I forgot that.
I know.
They make, let me drink. They make the dumpling them long so.
And you
long,
knife and cut them.
and use the knife and cut up it up.
Like, bake them?
Not bake, boil.
I mean, I got that
Make
school.
them, they not really make them like how we
Like you
roll
neck
them.
and roll them out.
Then just make them tall,
Long and cut
rub them tall and then use the knife and cut them up. Cut them up. And the plate them are iron plate and iron sitting we use. Yeah, them plate they we use.
You know, my put them make be nice.
Yeah, and the fork and something, everything.
From pretty.
You know, say, by rice still enough to get it. The food that I'm used to do, they don't really have the time to make the dumpling round. So they make them long and cut them. But they still are big something, but the school alright, and they never big so, because when you used to go over there, you never look so, everything gets upgraded.
Plastic in any place. Plastic.
Kind of plastic. Oh, yeah, because that them figure them, because what do you know? Guess what? You see what they, when they have the boys at school, they tell Pumpy to carry the knife and fork from school. So when me see Pumpy take up the knife, the kitchen knife, I say, no Pumpy, another knife every carry at school. There's something there. You can short now, me just get one fork and one knife, wash off and wrap up in one file paper game. When you come back from school and you come to tell me, say, keep me a 5 big knife out there. Come here, say, take on anything and the plastic thing.
You really not come.
Yeah, rain and fall, so we have to run from here.
It's a show. It's a show.
Wow.
You real.
The man tell me only a star and I first him at him. Tell me the star and a stick now go out. You have to stay in the kitchen.
Our star go far out. Ooh, you see rain?
I get them well while I see it. You see which one there right now? A beer rain and falling out. What kind of rain is that? Look how it's sun at.
All man go a job.
Never pick up them enough. Everybody run down.
What's that?
When all the way up.
So
That's why they say you can't touch Portland, you know, because you see Portland,
yeah.
rain always a fall. What my bag?
So with the power put piece of veranda, you sit down. Nobody run gone. No, that's how it full everybody.
People like say mango, you know, because you can pick 2 right there.
You can pick it there? Oh,
Mango.
then green man, Julie. St. Julian.
Yes, guys, so rain a fall. I want to go up in the town, but I don't want to video first and then we go up in the town. As you can see, I'll be a rain a fall.
Very nice
But me
place.
like that spot you see, like me and stop here if you're not selling place or what.
Then I sell it. When I sell it, I will get it first.
So nice. I can't pick up good and right, like our roadside with it. And everything, pick up good and nice. And do a business out here.
And have your house same way, have you?
Pick up good and do a little business.
But look how the sun did that. Watch the dog, he might go with the bone, you know, watch it. And get bone. Oh, yeah, get money, see bees in your stomach there. Hold on. My friend, yeah, I get money.
No. Rich.
Yeah, I get money.
You gonna pitch your chest.
One night, one bee sting me from my neck and me chain me pop off.
And then me say, you know what thing hard too? You watch them.
When you was sting, you have to drop a gun, man.
Say, only I get is this up there.
I know, you're in a fall.
You're in a farm and back on it now.
55 stool.
You going to call me to.
Yes,
How you left?
we want to hold Vanda with him.
When the party are going away after.
All the time. Later on, he will hold off. Sorry, I never carry my umbrella.
You can raincoat party tonight. Walk in the raincoat.
Umbrella we carry out last time.
Umbrella, me walk with. See, you want to see more with the big house and land.
Reach over here.
Yeah.
Although the umbrella is big, the slipper is soak. Because the slippers of me have come like sponge.
Yeah.
Well comfortable and soft.
That's why I say I put on shoes.
No like shoes.
I can't manage when it rain and fall.
Hi! What is your name again?
David.
David! Come here!
You get bread.
What the end time is to give you money to buy a steel bread. You never see it. Let me do this.
Get them sell stale bread for a little bit of money.
What's up here to your steel bread? What's Irene? Listen. What's up here to that bread then? Eh? You know what's up here to? What's up here to it?
I know stale bread in back. I know stale bread that. A fresh bread, a fresh bread.
You pizza bread now? You pizza bread now?
You think it have to give you the pizza bread and the mother let her give you money?
You pizza bread now, David? David, not tell me no other bread. You might eat that?
Bali think could I say yes.
No, I give me man.
There's no intention to give you.
Where you say? Where you can't eat it? You can't eat whole heap of something.
All mackerel.
You can't eat whole heap of something with the man.
All the mango and bread.
David, not eat. You eat pork and your rasta?
David, I wish Rasta.
And me have what? Me have piece of pork. Me not know it. I'm not finna this.
Jamaican job sparrow.
So give her a piece of bread, you know? Like how she get a piece of
Come
pork.
on here, something I want to talk to you.
I really Jamaican Jack Sparrow for true. If you're a Jack Sparrow for true.
That is a Jamaican jack sparrow.
Where you find?
Jamaican jack
So
sparrow.
David, where you walk with this pack? How much here this?
No, I'm working.
Go your bag of wet up. Ease up. Bag of wet up.
Yes, yes, say my word.
Take off your bag.
I know what if I pork in there, no, but you can't eat with the bread.
I'm going to buy some vegetables.
You don't buy ready some? You know pickle fish?
Which one veggie chunks?
No matter show me no money. You have money to do it today. You have money. What do you tell me some mango? Yeah, I want to see man talking about it, you know. You see the mango them what you give me? You can bring some more, but me not take to them one day. I want the first set where you give me no good.
I find some other time.
So which buy you buy the bread? Why do you say I'm going to buy a steel bread? I don't know if I'm selling something.
Alright, it's a steel bread now. I will do
And then say them bread are best bread in our feet. Yeah.
Me say if you're not go back to England. Eh? You don't know about that? Then are you not want to go back?
I'm on 17 already.
Eh?
I'm on 17 already.
Where is that?
I'm on 17.
Me on 17, in past 17.
Yeah, but you still can't travel.
I will take
Yeah,
him up
you
there.
start a passport.
I've got a passport and all and then something there. Then my passport there.
You know what's on my passport?
Flavy way. Have it.
That come to the screen. That come to the screen.
Oh.
That come to Larry's screen.
Yeah. Let her come too.
So draw for your bread now.
I'm a good with pork, you know.
Can't do that.
So you can't do that.
Draw
Ah,
for
you
your
should not
bread.
eat
Your
pork.
bread and pork.
What do you tell me say I turn
Alright,
rasta?
so the pork.
Then in a Rasta.
And I eat pork.
Rasta, which one? Rasta.
Rasta. I don't know where I call himself.
Oh yeah, Bobo.
David, so
And
your
I have it,
girlfriend,
which
you
one?
have a girlfriend.
You want a brownie? You want a nice brown there, plum skin.
Anytime I'm sorry.
I'm married.
I can face to face, you know. That's like, I mean, you know where that we are raised because I still a bunch, still a fire, still a shot, same mate,
You
same
still have
mate.
a shot for your
I say, alright, I'll come and say, alright.
What kind of shot you lick?
Anytime.
All of that
I mean, man, but apparently we are going one kind of skills, my car, man, you got 17-ish, like. That's it, you know want something, I don't know about that space. Yeah, but man, I say,
To him, one to him.
You know one thing from his way,
you wait like when them, like one of them man, they look at them and by the time the screen I tell us, okay, this is what and that, but you see yourself. You're around here. Man, I road and say,
yeah, but they can't eat the bread with ackee. And you can't eat it with candy.
you can learn right there, yeah.
And you can't eat it with
No,
poyado.
that gone. Nobody look for that, brother. That gone.
Him pork job. Cause you talk too much.
So you can't eat it with
Why them finger them like
me
that?
too. And you have no money on man.
And dirty. That is the dirty answer.
Well, I mean, I like this when they come to work and you know them. And the good smaddy.
What tell you? What tell you front pocket? What is that in your front pocket? More enough, more.
Hot do you?
Yeah, me I tell you, more enough.
You have money in there?
Who wants to put you?
You have money in
Yeah,
there?
that's some change that I want.
Missing it. Missing RID.
I do, yes, yes.
Take you out of it. You have video show me you go in there, man. You have money in there?
Yeah, no, yeah.
Yes? Show them
US.
say you have money, David.
Our cat pop that.
Money in there.
You get $1 US.
I mean, dead man in there. I'm not talking about the rich, yeah. I'm not talking about.
And David go to England and come back.
Don't have to put it.
What?
Don't have to put
So you give me one next name too?
it. I only have to put it from a bank out till I
How
found
they
it.
used to call me?
When from me reach, I develop myself like a winner for them. I start to read between the lines and say, yes, me. I look at me car. When the church boom up, it's the flowers. When the flowers go up the church. Yeah. I come there and start to pick it.
Who made the rain fall? Me or you?
Certain intelligence, like none of them intelligent.
Me say who made the rain fall? Eh?
Some man, some giant, some monster is showing some water. Some giant is showing some water.
So you back
Yeah, sprinkling some water with the something.
Nobody wants
Yeah,
that.
you can work that way. Yeah, man, yeah. I said monster do it, the monster them. Yeah, and just so like how she stay, so monster stay to it.
Oh, like a mixed here?
Yeah.
Who ya? Some your monster? What's on the backside?
Alright, one of them red with the stand, if the stand over here, I look straight.
Me a monster?
The man, yeah, me, when you have a man say stand up, shine and me, I say stand up, right, no.
You over there?
Right, when you look right down up here, right down a branch.
You know where I must see. Oh, it's so far.
Look at the space, look at the space, over the space.
When don't you do?
So far from
Turn
here,
up,
they can't see.
We are brand.
Our Arac will grow on one place. Our Arac will turn up a grow and him just turn up a look for the sun.
Oh, it's up.
So if big and turn up like one of them Goliath man there. Up there now, we know right now, we know. And he can't talk right now to me right now, yeah.
And then something
I
I
mean,
see.
hear him there.
So I'm not see you.
Hear him there. Oh, because you not really pay attention.
Pay attention, Simone.
And you turn down the road and say,
It's powerful and free.
and you turn down the road and say, hearing.
It's big and powerful. I say, we will see like, it's in a career, one of them active.
So you're growing right
One of them
now.
stay active students, and big man.
You
Yeah.
hear me? So we have to do with my shit. Then we say, yeah, we charge us with that.
No, I'm fine.
Eh?
I'm just like, I'm specific when I make my board up to try like, I want to eat this thing.
See more than one
Buy one tin mackerel, man. I'm going to see if you come. You see with it?
Yeah,
With onion.
Yeah.
And black pepper.
Yeah.
What?
I mean, I'm taking it.
Yes,
I clean my room, clean it out, to make it
So you're going to carry me with you if you go clean out your room. Want me a David?
Make a big clean up powerful is a mess.
And me there, look. I thought you want me to come around and go look. Made?
They want make money. Yeah, come and get a direction because you say, alright.
You have pay me?
Right, when we get a direction, we just go like this with this $100 on the direction and just slice out every size out of them here. Yeah, and just get to the process machine. Yeah, and just alright. So you smell it? Yeah, smell the aroma, you're smelling it right now and I win it.
Smell around. You know, I'm good boy, I know how him just come so all of a sudden. I'm gonna come back, I can see. So guys, the rain is fast, so we have to come up here so. Come do what we have to do because you know, so we have to do what we have to do. Same way said. They here, come drink some soup and eat some pork and something. And everybody run by a little so we have to find a little spot. It's going to do a little video and something. So, never go up in the town and I want something because the rain kind of ease up. So guys, please remember to like, share and subscribe and like up the video. You know, such a rain of farming I get to do some a good reason when we didn't want to do a while ago because we have to run out of the rain and something and come out. So I'm here to the one deal with him. So he's gone now. So later, big up on yourself guys and thanks for watching. Until next time. Later, peace out.